Hey guys, Ronnie here out in the shop in the middle of a build, but today's video is not about building. It's about selling, how to price the woodworking projects you've built. So you've come to this video, you're waiting for this guy here to tell you how much you should charge for your product. Here we go. I can't tell you. I can't tell you how much to charge. First of all, I don't know what you've built. Did you build a big table? Did you build a little end table, nightstand, coat rack? I can't tell you how much to charge, but here's the deal. I can give you some principles to figure it out. And this is what I figured out over the past 15 months. First thing I've learned over 15 months or so of doing this and selling dozens of pieces of furniture for thousands of dollars is I started out way too low. It's probably common. People build something, they just want to sell it, and they price too low. So my first piece of advice is don't price it way too low. You know, check the competition in your area. If you're going to go on Facebook Marketplace, look up pieces of furniture similar to what you're building, see how much they're going for, and then, you know, price around there. I would figure out how much your materials were that you know, how much they cost you to build it. Figure out if you're going to go with an hourly rate, figure out how much that is, and then go from there. I don't go by an hourly rate. I'd rather just make sure the project is perfect as I can get it perfect. It might take me more hours to do that, so my priority is getting a high quality piece of furniture out there and get word of mouth spread. So one of the signs you can tell if you price too low is you'll get a ton of orders. As long as the work you do is quality work, you're going to get a lot of orders. That's a good sign that you're priced too low. So that happens, just on your next piece, raise the price up. There might come a time where you really don't feel like building that week or whatever, and somebody contacts you for a piece. Well, maybe you quote them a really high price, and if they accept it, then hey, you know, it might be worth go ahead and building that week. That's what happened to me one time. I didn't feel like building, so I gave this high quote, and the customer came back right away with, let's do it, and then ordered another piece, and I was thinking, dang, I probably could have priced this higher. But it's all about just experimentation, and if you want to sell on Facebook Marketplace, I have a video on how to stage your furniture once it's built. I'll put links up here. How to stage your furniture, and also the process of going through after your pictures are taken and staged, and how to post it on Facebook Marketplace for sale. So I had someone tell me they were concerned about pricing their project too high, or they thought it was too high, because they knew how much they spent on product, and why should the customer have to pay that much more than what it actually cost them to build? And I'm thinking, you know, first of all, you're not forcing the customer to buy your product, right? I mean, they're not being coerced to hand over their cash. If they're going to pay you for your product, they're paying you because they see value in it, and they see that the quality and it's what they want, the style they want. So don't think you're taking the customer. You're not. They want it. They're going to evaluate whether it's priced right for them or not. And if they buy it, great. So don't worry about pricing your product too high. The only time to worry about that is if you're not selling anything. Then you got to figure out, well, is it the quality or is my price too high? Check out my other videos, staging furniture for Facebook Marketplace, and then actually putting the ad on Facebook Marketplace. If you've been selling furniture and you want to comment below, I'd love to hear how you go about pricing yours. If you're just starting out, get it done, build it. Don't let fear hold you back. Look at this. I'm an old guy, retired, doing this in my garage. There's nothing to worry about. You can do it. Always be safe, be courageous, get that first sale. I will catch you on the next video.